Welcome back to Vlogmas. Oh, let's see the temp in the house. 64. It's my husband. Okay, that was my husband. We have a lot to do. The dogs have to be groomed at 11 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock right now, so I have to leave at in a half hour. I have laundry to do. I have so many presents to wrap. I have to make 100 sandwiches before the play tonight. And I have to be there at 2:30. It doesn't start till 5. So yeah, we have to get going. So I'm gonna start wrapping presents right now. So hopefully we can get everything done.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
I got them wrapped, the ones up there, and then these are open last presents and open second to last presents. I had to give Bella a bath, just like a bottom half bath, because she had some diarrhea and that got all over her. It was really bad. For some reason, her and Zoe have diarrhea and I'm not sure what it is. It might be these treats. Maybe I'm giving them too many and it's giving them diarrhea, so I will stop giving them treats and just stick to regular dog food with some pumpkin. So if your dog has diarrhea or if has upset stomach at all, you give it a little bit of pumpkin and it helps soothe their stomach, kind of like Pepto-Bismol does for us. My camera battery is gonna die. I'm gonna go load the dogs up and take them to the groomer. Okay, we're going to the vet. No, we're not going to the vet. We're going to the groomer right now. Let me make sure I close that garage door. We're going to the groomer right now. It's 10:45. They need to be there by 11, so we should get there in time. And then I need to come home. I think what I'm going to do is get myself ready for the play tonight, and then so I'm gonna, oh my gosh, look at this. Do you guys see the wind? It is crazy. But I think what I'm going to do when I get home is take a shower and get myself ready for the play tonight and then keep working, because I will run out of time and not be able to get myself ready, and then I'll have to go looking like this. And I realize with no makeup on, and the older I get, I look way more like my mom. I used to say I was adopted, but I don't know if I can say that anymore. Okay, so I got done dropping Rocky and Zoe off, and now I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready for the Christmas program. My family puts on this Christmas play every year, and yeah, we have to go to it. Chris is not going to go. He's gonna stay behind and be here for Bella and be here for Bella and the fire. So he's gonna stay home. I can't find my pants. Assuming, oh shoot, they might be in the dryer. Okay, we're gonna have to find clothes, take a shower, and then I will come back when I do my hair and makeup so you guys can see what kind of look I'm going with. I have showered I am clean. I did not wash my hair because I'm washing my hair tonight. I'm going to, or no, sorry, I'm washing my hair tomorrow because I'm going to do a soft tan tonight. I can't even think. I am going with all black long sleeve shirt with some black leggings. I need to go throw wood on the fire. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm wearing, I forgot where I was. So I'm wearing a black shirt with black leggings because I feel like it. The shirt is really nice and comfy. It is from Skims. And I just feel like wearing it. And I'm sure my family, some of my family members have a lot to say. And they're gonna think that I am gothic, emo, depressed, something like that because I'm wearing all black. So let's do it. Let's get people talking. I'm gonna go in with this IGK First Class Dry Shampoo. Love the way that this smells. Absolutely love it. Mix this around. I need some dry shampoo, or I need some oil. Oh, I found some. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna use some Way hair oil. I'm gonna take 2 pumps, probably too much, but we don't really care if it's too much because, like I said, I'm gonna be washing my hair tomorrow morning, so I don't really care if it's oily. It's just going up in a top bun. If I had really long hair, it would be pretty, but I don't, so. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I gotta get the video up from yesterday. I forgot to do that. Okay, that is done. Now let's do my hair. You know, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, Billy, you just removed your oil with the dry shampoo and then you go in with a hair oil. Yes, I did that. And the reason why is because the dry shampoo would just, one, it kind of takes away all the nasty oils, like the dirty oils, and it makes your hair smell so freaking good. And then the other oil just puts oil where I want it to be. Okay, we're going high up, high as we can go with this short hair. And there we go. That is what we're doing. This is going to be our hair. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in to kind of tame some stuff. Some hair has that wet look. People are gonna say, oh my gosh, Billy doesn't wash her hair, it's so oily. Little do they know, I do wash my hair, just not today. Okay, we're done with that. I'm gonna do my skincare now. Oops. I like to always go in with a lip balm. My lips have been extremely dry lately. So yeah, like to do that. Then I'm gonna go in with my Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrops. This is amazing to have your face, just give it some glow to it. Okay, then we're gonna go in with some Halo Glow from Pharmacy moisturizer. Love this stuff. If you guys have dry skin, get this. It is amazing. It's thick and it's just great. So we have to leave here at 2 hours. Oh, 2 hours. Oh my gosh, I have so much time. Not really. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. This is the caffeine eye cream. I'm going to take some of this. So how I do my eye cream and how I know how much I need is I take from the first crease of my finger and I start there and I just go down, and that is how much and then I just rub it together and I put it underneath my eye, and that is how much I use. It's always the right amount. It's never too much, it's never too little. I have like a pimple or something going on here. It's always perfect amount. I have laundry going. I don't know if I told you guys that, and my pants was not in the washer. I ran out of room in my closet to put clothes, so I was putting it up above, and that's where it was. Anything left, I always rub it on my hands because your hands get old. Look at them. They just do. Now I'm gonna go in and just do my makeup. I'm gonna fast forward through this because you guys don't want to watch this. And I'm gonna put something on here and watch it while I do my makeup.
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year. I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears. A toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded. I count the hours and minutes till the last week of December. For me the Christmas spirits flow as early as September. It's the best of seasons, come and raise your glass and sing. No need for other reasons.
Okay, so I am done. I need to fix this. We have a couple flyaways happening. So I am finished. I think I'm gonna put a sweater on because I'm kind of cold and I don't like to be cold. So I got my makeup on. Now I gotta clean. It is 1 o'clock, so we have what, 1.5 hours? Or hold on, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, so 1.5 hours. We have 1.5 hours left. I need to get this house cleaned. I need to make the food still, and we got to get going. So, and I need to edit and upload this video. So we have no time to waste, but to hurry up and get things done.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you.
Okay, we're gonna end the vlog here because it is 2 o'clock and we're gonna have to leave here soon. So I want to end it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to edit and upload this before I leave, but we'll see. So for today's giveaway, you're going to get a Bath & Body Works candle, 4 of these Profusion eyeshadows. They're all glitter shadows. You're going to get some Ioni lashes. You're getting 1, 2, so you're getting 1. Oh, give me a second here. You're getting 2. So you're getting 3 sets of the lashes, and then 1 set of individual lashes and 2 things of glue. Sponges, some more eyelashes from Profusion, the Lunar Beauty sponge and the Too Faced Peach palette. That is everything in today's giveaway. All you have to do is like this video, be subscribed, and leave a comment down below, and you will be entered. This giveaway will end tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Yes, right? Yes. Yeah, it'll end tomorrow. I'm trying to have them all be done by Christmas time, so then on Christmas I can just pick all the winners that I haven't done and get them shipped out soon after. They will, all the giveaways will be shipped out the week after Christmas. That makes sense. And yes, I already did get a hold of the winner for the family giveaway, and she said that no rush, you do not have to get this in time for Christmas. She's actually going to use that stuff for birthday presents for her family or people, I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Once I quit this vlog, I'm gonna start the vlog up again for tomorrow's vlog. So I'm gonna take it through the night and through the next day. Because we're going to the Christmas play and I'm gonna record it, so yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!